In this video, we will look into the Petal paragraph technique for essay writing. This is an effective approach to come up with perfect paragraphs for your essay. So, let's get started. As the title says, this is a paragraph structuring technique whose name is an acronym of the points it emphasizes on. The first letter P stands for point, which states that every paragraph should include a clear point on the topic. It should 1 point per paragraph to keep it simple and effective. The next letter E stands for evidence. This means that every point should have a supporting evidence to state that it's true. The evidence should be clear and authentic and not misleading from true facts. The next letter T stands for technique. This should be used to analyze the approach being used in the paragraph. The technique can be tone, mood of writer, etc. The letter A stands for analysis. This is used to analyze the point and evidence stated by studying the technique. It states how the evidence and technique support the point. The last letter L stands for link. This talks about linking the whole paragraph together. It ensures that every point in the paragraph is interlinked with each other and the paragraph is complete in itself with no loose ends. This is how the actual structure of the Petal technique looks like if we visualize it according to its acronym. Here are some tips to improve your Petal essay writing technique. Here's an example of a section from an essay drafted using the Petal paragraph technique. This brings us to an end of this video on Petal technique for paragraph structuring in an essay. There are more such helpful techniques which we will be discussing in other videos. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get updates of such informative videos. Happy essay writing!